For nearly 40 years, IGS has been the global leader in on-site thermal spray protection. Our high-velocity thermal spray cladding has become the namesake of site thermal spray for mission-critical equipment.
Very frequently, customers are looking at weld overlay for protecting a vessel. With high-velocity thermal spray, you have the ability to put the same, if not better, alloys onto the shell. You can do it in about a third of the time, and you can do it at about a third of the cost. And the best thing about it is that it has a very long life expectancy, unlike a lot of epoxy systems. And unlike welding systems, it doesn't compromise the integrity of the base material. It's more than just the material. It's technicians who apply the material. It's the engineering and the design that go into making sure that it's going to provide the protection that's necessary in its environment.
We evaluate the need, we deploy the solution that is unique to their needs, and we package that together in a scalable, repeatable, predictable, high-quality fashion that gives customers confidence that when they come to us with a problem, we solve that problem.